Hi everyone and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with me, your host Mike. It's Friday and that can only mean one thing, it's the next unboxing video. So in here we have a flower that I saw on someone else's channel and I really liked it, and I looked on Amazon and I thought, yeah, I've got to get that. And I have to say, this must be the first painting I've had that has had the, you know, the painting at one side and then the drills on the other side. So we'll take a look inside it and I'll show you what it is. So as you can see, very lovely wrapped indeed. We've got the drills and, oh, I've just noticed something. Right. Oh, okay. I thought there was no boat then, but it's inside there. I can feel it. I was going to say, how can we paint it? But yeah, okay, cool. So some of you might be able to see it, but as you can see up there, it is a flower. And this was only a £5. So as you can see, if we open it up, there's your standard boat again. Do keep all the bags. The bags come in useful for spare drills. As you can see, I've got quite a handful of them. But this is the painting, £5, absolute bargain. And there we go, that is the flower itself. I love working on flowers. I work on a range of different flowers. I normally do flowers in May, which is normally when the Chelsea Flower Show is on. So yeah, I normally do flowers then, but this will be one for next year. All the paintings that I'm showing at the moment is probably going to crop up in 2023 and throughout 2023, but this is a lovely color. You've got 20 symbols here, but what's nice about this is every block, if you look at every block, it's a different sort of color. It's got that lovely mingling of colors there, so really gorgeous. Lots of lovely colors there with the heads of them. So you've got a bit of pink, bit of purple, and then down here you've got like the bars, so you get like all this white section to it. You've also got your color code down here as well, in case you don't want to keep looking up there. You can always look down at this one. Some paintings have that, some paintings don't, and they just stick it to one side, but that is beautiful, so I can't wait to do that. Let's take a look at the drills now. So these are the drills, and let's have a look. I can get into it. Okay, so lovely colours here. As you can see, it's a round drill again. I do like working with my rounds, and as you can see, just get to the front. We have all these. So we've got pink, grey, bit of purple. That's like a dark purple, if you like, dark purpley brown. Greens, sort of like brute colour, slate grey, bit of burgundy red, I should imagine. Greens, that's like a peachy sort of colour. Again, dark sort of purple, greens, blacks, burgundy, pink, lilac. So yeah, lots of lovely purple colours and stuff like that, as you can see. So yeah, again, this has got 20 colours in there. As you can see, don't worry, it's not fell on the floor. That's where my box is for all the drills that I keep them in until they're kitted up. But yeah, this is called a Zaluhai apparently. But yeah, if you do want to get this for yourself, check out the link in the description of the video and you can get this for yourself. I currently paid £5 for this, and I won't buy paintings unless they're a £5 moving forward, unless it's really one that I desperately want, then I may make an exception. But I think £5 is reasonable for a painting. But anyway, until next Friday, what will it be? Who knows, you'll have to wait and see. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tap the bell if you want to be notified of the video. But next week's is a real shocker. And some of you from my other page, World of Mike, will be quite shocked to see it return. But anyway, until next Friday, that's been Diamond Painting Unboxing with me, your host Mike. Bye guys.